Hi everyone, I am back filming another episode. This one's relating to the holidays again. I particularly don't like to say Christmas, not because of any religious barriers or beliefs and stuff like that. I think just the holidays during that period, that spirit of the holidays, all that glimmer, the lights, the shimmer, the hope and the promise that we have during the holidays is what I love, right? And I want to show you a really simple thing that you can do at home. It's not going to take you a long time. These are Christmas trees that are done in different forms. One's out of metal and glitter, the other one is mercury glass, the other one is kind of like a milky glass, and then there's like a Christmas tree done with mother of pearl shells, or a type of shell that looks like mother of pearl. I've got my votives out here in different forms, and then I've got little glittered balls that I'm going to use in the tablescape. This can be a tablescape, this can be a buffet type of arrangement where you can put desserts and or it can be an entry table for a console. You can do it on your coffee table in your home. You can split this up, you can do here and there elements. I'm going to show you one tablescape, and basically what I'm doing is I've already have my gray velvet linen that I have on here. I thought that would be the best match. If this is the first time you're tuning in, I appreciate you. If you're one of the subscribers that are seeing this video, once again, thank you for your support. So make sure you are following me on all social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. There's a lot of great ideas. Hope you visit my website as well, eddiemuradyan.com. There's new blogs, there's new information, there's a new ebook that I'm coming out with that'll be very interesting. It will be people for things that people want to get into the floral business, or it's more of like the technicalities and also advice on design and how I do my process. A lot of the things that I have in my brain is not necessarily written on paper. It's a visual mental picture, and from that I'm able to create. I pull product out based on what I see, for scale, for feel and look, if it's the right coloration, things like this. For years and years, you will have it in your home. You don't have to ever throw it away. We're not gonna mix in fresh flowers for this. The great thing about the holidays, there's a lot of elements that you can use. You can even take your evergreens and mix them up in between here, and it can look really gorgeous. And I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna play around with these, the trees, and I'm gonna sort of layer it, right? And I'm going from like a medium and a high and a low. So now that I did this, I was gonna do the two larger ones on the side so it can balance it, but I'm gonna make a little bit of changes now, and we'll be good to go. Obviously, these are glass, so you have to be really careful with them. And this one's already broken at the bottom of it, but it can be easily, there we go. So I'm doing this, now I'm going to go in and do all my candles, high and low, in between, and the great thing about this is that these look gorgeous lit. And once we do that, you're gonna see the difference in the reflection. I'm gonna put a little bit of this here, and then we have one bubble bowl that I'll tuck in. Oh, we have another one. right here. See, so I kind of balanced it out. It's a little uneven right now, but obviously it should be centered. What I'm gonna do then is take these silver balls and I'm just going to lay them on the table. It adds an extra spark. The other thing that you could do is you can take small mirrors and put all your candles on top of mirrors. We'll go to another reflection. Here. Oh, there's a red berry in here, which you don't want. I don't know where that came from. Just gonna spread this in. Whew. Look how cool that looks. I'm gonna go around, make sure I have what I'm looking for. Here. Look at this. Just kind of completes the table, right? And without doing any effort, right? There's not too much accessories. There's only 2 elements, the candles and the Christmas are actually 3 elements. And these glittery balls. Look how gorgeous that looks. This is a little heavy here. And take some of this and tuck it in here. And we're good to go. I'm gonna light the candles. And, you know, again, if you're doing this in front of kids, you gotta be careful. You can do LED candles in here. That would work perfectly fine, especially when there's going to be a lot of traffic in the area that you're doing it and you want to be safe. And these are different glasses. Some are etched, some are frosted, some have this Christmas frost kind of a feel to it. And there's 3 products that I used. One is frosted, one is like an etch, and then the other one is frosted, etched, and like that snowflakey icicle look feel. Some of these are pre-lit, so it's easier. That's why it's taking me for 2 seconds to light them, and some of them are new, so it'll take a little bit longer. Look at how pretty they came out. All right, it's so simple to do. It takes you a good 5-10 minutes. Maybe you can even name this how to do in a tablescape in 5 minutes, right? Because this took me less than 5 minutes to do. And it's got such a great maximum visual impact at the same time. The candles are lit right now. Look how amazing this looks. I would love to hear your feedback. These are really simple things to do. This is the etch glass. It's a product that you can find at a craft store. And basically you put it onto the clear glass that's dried and clean, and it gives you this etched look, which is really cool. It almost looks like an icicle, right? Like that frosted icicle. This one is a product in the floral industry. It's got like it's like an icicle snowflake feeling. As you can see, you would hear it and you spray it, and what happens is it gives that look. The only problem with this product is that if you put it in or wash it, the product comes off of it. So it's not something that is a permanent thing. Whereas etching is, and also frosting. When you frost the glass with a spray can from a hardware store, it's very easy to do. Again, you can do this really easily at home. You can start collecting these in different, you can even buy all of these on sale 1 year and use it the following year. So if you don't want to if you don't want it to cost a lot of money, but you can do this with other Christmas trees that you have. It doesn't have to be the mercury or collection of these. It can be like little miniature ones that I have in the back. If this is the first time you're watching again, please follow me, subscribe to the channel, find me on all the social medias. There's a new ebook coming out that you should watch out for. Visit the website, make comments, guys. I want to hear it. And I wish you all a wonderful holiday. May it sparkle and shine all year long, guys. And again, peace out.